Welcome to CryptoPro Dashboard, the all-in-one trading platform for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. In the next 10 minutes, discover how this tool can enhance your trading strategy. CryptoPro Dashboard offers real-time market data, advanced charting, and seamless portfolio management. It's designed to empower traders of all levels. The dashboard organizes into three main sections. First, the left sidebar provides market watch and portfolio tools. Next, the central charting area features professional-grade analysis tools. Lastly, the bottom section displays key market data. Experience the sleek dark theme, reducing eye strain during long trading hours. The Market Watch section shows real-time data for the top 100 cryptocurrencies. You can see current prices, 24-hour changes, and trading volumes. Visual indicators highlight price movements, green for gains, red for losses. Use the search function to quickly find specific coins. Select any coin, and the entire dashboard updates to showcase asset-specific data. The heart of CryptoPro Dashboard is the integrated trading view chart. Access professional-grade charting tools at your fingertips. Switch between different timeframes, catering to your trading style, from scalping to position trading. Built-in analysis features set this dashboard apart. Leverage the Fibonacci retracement tool to identify support and resistance levels. Use Gann fans for market geometry understanding, and pinpoint intraday levels with pivot points. Below the chart, automatically calculated technical levels appear. The system analyzes trends to reveal immediate support and resistance levels, Fibonacci targets, Gann projections, and key pivot points. The trend indicator shows whether we're in an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation phase, including trend strength. This automated analysis saves you precious hours of manual calculations. For active traders, portfolio management is vital. Track your holdings, monitor your total portfolio value, and watch your performance in real time. Add positions with purchase prices, and let the dashboard automatically calculate unrealized P and M/L. The Market Overview section presents the overall crypto landscape. Examine total market capitalization, 24-hour trading volume, Bitcoin dominance, and the crypto fear and greed index. These metrics guide your market sentiment understanding for optimal entry and exit timing. Now, let's explore how traders use CryptoPro Dashboard. In Scenario 1, a swing trader identifies Bitcoin breaking a resistance level. They apply the Fibonacci tool to project targets and set profit-taking levels. In Scenario 2, a day trader follows the 1-hour chart, relying on pivot points for intraday levels, setting alerts based on the technical levels provided. In Scenario 3, a portfolio manager monitors crypto holdings, rebalances based on market conditions, and adjusts positions using trend analysis. CryptoPro Dashboard combines everything a dedicated trader needs: real-time data, professional charting, automated technical analysis, and portfolio management, all in a clean interface. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this tool enhances confidence and precision in your trading. Ready to elevate your trading game? Start using CryptoPro Dashboard today. Experience the impact of professional-grade tools for yourself. Thank you for watching, and happy trading! Get the tool free to use on the link below in the description: https://cryptogann Fibonacci accurate levels.cloud/.